Hello, Phono friends. Don Wilson here. I have a couple discs to show a little experiment. We've all heard about diamond discs being torn up when played on a typical phonograph with a steel needle. Excuse me. But the question is why? Most people seem to think that it's the material. We all know that vertical cut versus lateral cut is why they won't play. But why do they get shredded? It's a different material. It's a different groove width. So the last time I was pouring one of these gigantic 12-inch discs, I used the little bit of extra resin to make Little Wonder number 38, the Horse Trot. As you can see, they're both clear. They are both the exact same material, made at the same time, cast under the same conditions. And they're both so pretty to look at, aren't they? One subtle difference that I'd like to show you while we're here in my living room is that this 12-inch sample disc was cast under pressure. And we can see that there are no air bubbles. It's very clear. That's one of the nice benefits of pressure casting. If we look at the Little Wonder, if we look closely, we can see that there's a couple spots with some air bubbles. Still a very nice playable disc. But even with lots of tapping on the mold to get the air bubbles to release, there's still some stuck. So as a demo of how it will play, we'll move over to the electric turntable here. And we'll give a quick listen to how it sounds. That's an awfully clean disc. I think that sounds quite lovely with that resin, especially for an acoustic recording. Okay, so now here we have the Victrola wound up fine tone steel needle number 2 reproducer with one of my custom silicone gaskets. And it's time to place your bets. What's going to happen when we play this diamond disc type material with a steel needle? Are you ready? Did you hear how little surface noise there was? It was virtually silent. It didn't stall, it continued to play, and now let's hold it up to the sunlight here. We played about 30 seconds worth, and if we look through the disc, I can't see any appreciable wear. That's amazing. I thought that it would do some damage, but as we can see, the evidence is clear, pun intended.